This is the fire escape inspector summary video for this deck system here in Burlingame. It's part of a deck. Goes to stairs, goes to public way. All systems must be structurally sound and kept painted. This is a galvanized metal system. It does have wood, bricks on the bottom. Most of the metal are at the railings. So these are galvanized railings, painted, paint's coming off. So it's recommended to get all of these kept painted. All systems should be structurally sound, so the railing systems, most of it is structurally sound. Railing posts, the tops flex out about a quarter of an inch, and then that's hard to push outwards. So these are ready for the 200-pound lateral load test for all railing posts throughout the deck system, except two at the stairs over there. Deck's made of planks of wood, and then more material underneath. No issues over here. We do have a flammable barbecue system over here. Step up here, and referring to the section of railing that's not ready for the lateral load test, it's over here. As you can see, it flex outwards. As they go over here, they only have single bolts. That one's missing a bolt at the top. That bolt's pulling out, giving order for it to move. So those need to be reinforced. Moving on to the treads. All the treads have been secured using screws down into the stringers. No issues with most of the treads. Just have to make a note here that there is a crack over here. So this does flex outwards a bit. So that does need to be dealt with. Otherwise the nose can break off if sufficient amount of force is being placed onto it. Stringers, we have clips connecting them into the main boards over there. More clips over there. So these are all unified with that stringer board over there being bolted into the wall. So that as they're unified, they are very solid and won't move about, which means they don't actually need clips to cement over here, as the bolts into the wall holds the entire system steady. No issues with these posts. There is some moss, so it's recommended to get that cleaned out. There's some wood rot over here, but it's only at the outside and not at the main boards over here. Going underneath, we have our joists. We have missing joist hangers. I need to increase the brightness of this. Or get my flashlight. Alright. Yeah, this isn't going to work. To increase brightness. So we have missing joist hangers for all of these. So these will need joist hangers. Moving on, we have a section of railings over here. Those metal plates have... gotta deal with that again. Metal plates into the wall for the railings. That one has broken open and rust jacked outwards. Material loss is evident. Same over here, but if you grab the entire system, railing system is solid, but that needs to be dealt with. We have a door here, single action requiring no special knowledge. All you have to do is grab this, turn it so it opens, push outwards. Going to Let me see a hammer here so it doesn't close on me. I'll need to pause the video here. This is continuing the inspector summary video. So we have joist and joist hangers. These have clips on one side, but not clips on the other, so they will definitely need clips on the other side. This one over here, it's already kind of slanted a bit. And that's for all of these joist hangers all the way to the other end of the wall. These ones don't need any joist hangers since they are resting upon wood. And then we have I-beam supported by posts into the ground. No issues over here with this one. No brick spall. Connection points. All the bolts are in good order. No signs of any rust. No issues with those. We have some missing cement over here. There's a bit of a water collection point over there, so you need to get that fixed. Repack it, seal it so water doesn't pool over there. There's some surface resting at the metal. Okay, let's see if I can readjust the... No issues with this connection over here. Again, peeling paint, some surface rust, but that goes under spot paint. Now the biggest issue we have is at this wall over here. On this side, they did a cutout at the brick. All the weight on the I-beam end is resting on this brick, but when you step outside, you can see that the bricks has broken. There's all the brick spall. This section over here, split down the middle brick over there. So this section is loose. So it's resting upon that brick section over there. So this is highly suspect, requires further investigation. So overall, the system failed, has issues on supports. The joist hangers missing, brick spall over there, and that railing section over there is not ready for load test at the stairs. This is the end of the fire escape inspection summary video.
Failed with minor repairs. Repairs by a fully licensed vendor. Permit may be required. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test.